Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a gorgeous car. It's a 1936 Ford. Got the owner here. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today?
Okay.
God, what a pretty car.
I'm glad you like it.
Thanks.
What you got here is a 36.
Okay.
Steel body, glass fenders. Sits on a TCI chassis, custom tubular. Ford Mustang front end.
A rack and pinion up front.
Rack and pinion. It's got a 350 small block Chevy with a mild cam in it.
Okay, so real streetable.
Yeah, it's nice and streetable with 373 cruiser gears in it. It does 85-90 on the parkway, nice and straight.
Turbo 400 trans, right?
Turbo 400 transmission.
Cool.
9-inch Ford rear. Custom made wheels.
They're nice.
Had new gauges put in, all functional.
Brand new.
They're all Autometer. The antique gauges.
Yeah, they look great.
Got recessed blue dot signal lights, running lights in the rear.
Yeah.
Okay, got all new rubber, new brakes, disc front, drum rear.
Okay.
We got power windows. We got a power trunk. We got AC.
That's a must-have.
Okay. Walker radiator. Twin fans.
So she runs nice and cool.
And she runs nice and cool. 185 in the heat. Had it for 6 years. I had it gone over completely mechanically, done by a professional shop. And all I can say is it's a sweet ride.
It is a nice ride. You got dual fans, they're stacked right there. It's a super high-end radiator. Aluminum valve covers, heading lead to dual exhaust, headers rather, leading to dual exhaust. Power brakes, power steering, electronic ignition. Got a Holley 650.
Yeah.
Yeah. Custom manifold.
Got the jet-coated headers so they don't turn colors.
Yeah, they look good.
Yeah.
Real nice. Steel body too. Inside we got a custom interior. We got seat belts in here. Very comfortable seats. Those are power windows, power trunk, billet handles.
It's got the low car floor shifter.
Oh, that's cool. I love this tilt wheel. That is brand new, right? Chrome. I did it. Tilt column. These are Autometer gauges. They're finished in a vintage style. 430 miles or so on those gauges. And the steering column was just done. Completely serviced, ready to roll. Custom billet steering wheel wrapped in leather. Kenwood sound system with a changer. That's a vintage air system. It's got the 12-volt outlet as well. Mini mirrors. So you got a mini mirror here on the driver's side as well. And your rear view mirror is mini. Looks like the windshield's tinted and the side windows are tinted. Sport comp gauge, RPM gauge. Little seat back here for the kids. Really cool. Completely finished trunk with a spare tire back here. Can you bring the trunk down so you can see how it works? Pretty cool. Very cool. Fire it up. It's got a nice sound to it. I like the tow package too. Pretty cool. switch right there too. Runs nice, huh? Nothing too radical, and runs nice and cool, reliable.
I didn't, you know, I'm an older guy. I didn't need anything that's going to, you know, tear up a pair of tires every season.
Yeah.
I just wanted something that cruises nice and is reliable.
This is it, man. Perfect. Love it.
And it certainly looks good standing still.
It certainly does. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give us a call. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. And keep in mind we do offer worldwide shipping and financing. Rich, thanks again for showing us your car. Awesome.